In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a brand new money making application that is going to pay you to literally just click one button and start to accumulate as much cryptocurrency as possible. So make sure you watch this video from the beginning till the end so you know exactly what you need to do in order to start to make some money today. So let's get started right away with today's money making method. So I'm going to show you inside of my phone right here, guys. This is my phone. You can see it moving up and down right here. The Pi Network, another money making application that I've talked about in the past on this YouTube channel, and I'll be showing you that in a bit as well, guys. But this application is something so similar to the Pi Network. It's actually getting really popular nowadays. As you can see right here, guys, I want to get started with this right here. It says first 50% great cut, 100k B visitors reached. So you need to get started right now in order to get as much Bs as possible, or B tokens as possible. Before it was at 1.6 Bs per hour, now it's at 0.8 B per hour, guys. And the longer you wait, the longer you don't take action on actually getting started with this method, the less Bs you're gonna actually earn as time goes on. So after we reach 1 million users, it's gonna go all the way down to 0.4 Bs per hour, and then after 10 million, 0.2, and so on and so forth. So if you're gonna hold back and wait, you are going to lose out on a lot of Bs. You can actually exchange this for goods and exchange it on crypto exchanges, guys. And this is going to be going through phases. First off, this is the first phase right here, is us getting started with this project right now. And the reason why I'm saying this is because if we go over here to the FAQ, this is something so simple and so easy to do to get started right now. Click the link down below, sign up, and let's get started. Because if you click the link down below, you're going to get a free B on me, guys, for just signing up under me. Now look, as you can see, my balance is already at 355 Bs, and I'm going to be getting 1.6 Bs per hour. Now if we come right here, go to the FAQ, so click on the three little tabs, we scroll all the way down to where it says white paper. You can see the table of contents, introduction, and I want to go all the way over here real quick. So it says, how does B Network work? There are three main roles of B Network: miner, referrer, and verifier. Once you have pressed the thunder button to kickstart your 24-hour mining session, you will earn Bs with formula of base rate plus rate times 25% times the number of active miners in your mining team in the next 24 hours until your mining session ends. Base rate as the miner starts at 1.6 B per hour and will be down 50% to 8.8 Bs per hour when the total users base has grown to 100,000 users worldwide, and further 50% cut to 0.4 B per hour when it grows to 1 million users. As time goes on, you're going to get less and less Bs. So the thing is to get started right now. You can see the phases it's going to go through. If we just keep on scrolling down right here, it says phase 1, building a trusted and verified network of players. Phase 2, launching B Network Marketplace. So this is going to be where you can actually transfer goods and services with these B tokens. So it says phase 3, listing B networks on major cryptocurrency exchanges, targeted Q3 2022. So get started now, guys. Earn as much as possible because other people are actually using this already and starting to earn a lot of Bs from doing this method. All you have to do is just come in once a day, once every 24 hours, click on the B right there in the middle, and either grow your actual team, which you guys, if you click the link down below, you're going to get a free B on me, or you can actually just let this run 24 hours a day passively. So I come back at least once a day, click the B, start to earn some Bs, save it just like the Pi Network. So let's go over there really quick and show you that. So this is the Pi Network right here, guys. You can see it. I have 1,522 Pis, and this is a really easy and simple way, just like the B system. All you do is click the lightning bolt at the bottom right hand corner right there, guys, and then click on it every 24 hours, I believe, and then just let it do its thing. I'm earning 0.25 Pi every single hour, which is not that bad, guys. It was more It was more at the beginning of this actual process of the Pi system, the Pi token, but it's the same exact thing. And now on this, you can actually run nodes. So if you have more than 1,000, I believe, you can actually run a node on your computer and start to actually help out other people with the nodes and earn even more interest on your Pi. So this is something really interesting, guys, you can get started with right now as well, just like the B system. They even have a white paper. You can come check it out. You can go go to the preface, you can go to all of this information right here, unfair value capture, fees. So if you just keep on scrolling down, you can see the roadmap almost to the bottom of the actual page of the white paper. It says roadmap, design, distribution, trust graph, bootstrap, phase 2 test net, phase 3 main nets. And you can see all of this information. You can read more in depth about the Pi system, how Pi works, the reason why this currency was created. And I believe this is a group of college kids that actually created this. So it's really interesting, guys, in a really profitable way. You can actually earn cryptocurrency passively, because one day this coin might be worth something big. So I'm just going to keep on doing these small little free passive mining applications, guys, because all you do is just come in, click it once, and then let it run, let it do its thing, and that's it. Pretty soon I'm actually going to run this node on my laptop or on my desktop and start to earn even more Pi from doing so. You can go over here to Pi apps, you can go to Brainstorm, Fever, IQ, and Chats. So those are just different applications that you can use that are going to give you some more detail about Pi and types of projects, guys. Look, it says types of app projects. Type 1 apps with a business model. Type 2 ecosystem apps. Project roles, admin, business, and developers. So you can just see a lot more information about all of this right here, guys. And you can come over here to the next one and just check this out right here as well. So there's a lot of different stuff that can be used with the Pi system, and on top of that with the B system. All you have to do is just stay consistent on these and just keep on doing it, guys. Consistency is key to actually growing in the crypto space and growing in your life. Get started right now, guys. I'm going to be leaving the links down below for these money making applications. Have you ever wanted to create a video just like this that went viral, like 5 facts about coronavirus, mind-blowing obstacle illusions? Keep watching this video, guys. I know this looks like something that a lot of people talk about, but this is something that can actually work for you. Look at this. Photos that caught people cheat or being jealous. Things students did to pass exams. So look, if we go inside of any one of these videos, so here's the volume. So
like you're falling out of bed and you're sound asleep. What do? You jump straight up and you wonder what.
So as you guys can hear that volume in the background, that is something that my team is going to create for you. So that is going to be something my team is going to be able to create for you for a really cheap price, guys. They're going to be creating the videos for you. They're going to be creating the actual thumbnails for you. They're going to actually be doing the voiceovers for you. They're going to do everything that is needed to make a video on YouTube for you guys. This is going to be the easiest and simplest way to make money right now on YouTube. And there's niches. You can do this in niche. You can do it about dogs, you can do it about crabs, you can do it about cars, anything that you can think of, guys. My team is going to do it for you. And this team is actually working with the bright side. This team is actually working with the richest. So you can see all of these videos right here, guys, are what my team can do for you. Exactly the same, guys. Look at this. Warren Buffett. I think this is Joe Biden. Look at this. Dubai's 22 billion city of the future. You can see all of these videos are pretty much the same exact thing as this right here. This is my channel, my test channel. So you guys can come in, check it out, and see if you actually want to be a part of this YouTube community of actually having my team work for you guys. So it says what you didn't know about Russia that you should know. And look at this right here, guys. Watch. This right here is my YouTube course. I don't really want to call it a course. I want to call it like a, I guess, program, or just something that is going to be given to you guys. So this is what my team would do for you. My team would do the script writing, the video editing, the voiceovers, and the thumbnail. And all you have to do is just upload the video and start to make money with YouTube. Now, it all depends on you guys. It all depends on what videos you want them to make for you, and what videos could go viral and what videos don't go viral. So it just takes patience, time, and I'm going to show you the introduction to the course. Watch this. Personal contact information, channel and branding, best niches, how to give views organically, how to grow fast, a little secret, how to get 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers fast, a secret method, and that really is a secret method right there, guys. How to outsource everything without my team, how to go viral every time you upload, what to do or what to avoid when making a YouTube channel, what I would do if I started from scratch. Here is my team. Let's take action and make some money, guys. So this is going to be my results. This is going to be my my program on showing you exactly how you can make money on YouTube for using my team without even using my team, guys. Look, it says right here how to outsource everything without my team. So guys, this is something I've created for you, a really cheap price at the moment, only $25, which is a really good investment, I would say, to get some information, some knowledge on actually making money on YouTube, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.